Discipline, your mind is the battlefield, where every victory and defeat begins. If you can master your thoughts, you can master your life. Discipline means not letting fear, doubt, or laziness take control. It means choosing focus when distractions come, choosing patience when frustration rises, and choosing strength when weakness whispers. Every great achievement starts with a disciplined mind, a mind that says, I will keep going no matter what. Don't wait for motivation to show up. Motivation is fleeting, but discipline is steady. Motivation might get you started, but discipline keeps you moving when motivation disappears. Train your thoughts daily. Speak life over yourself. Push back against negativity. When your mind says, I can't, discipline answers, I must. The world is full of talented people who quit because they lacked discipline. But the one who trains their mind to be strong will outlast them all. So, guard your mind. Feed it with purpose, focus, and determination. Because once you discipline your mind, there is nothing in this world that can hold you back.